I definitely see why this is one of the more popular Nike outlets. And you won't believe the price on these right here. Wow. Drove through all kinds of traffic and rain to show y'all this spot. Nike factory store at the outlets in Orange. And of course, we gotta start on the back wall. 30% off the back wall. Already starting to see stuff that I ain't seen in a while. And I'm loving these Vomero 18s right here. 120, and you get another 30% off on top. It's pretty dope color too. Pretty dope color. This is a size 10. I think I need a 10 and a half. 10 and a half right here. Jordan 2375. Forces. Interesting colorway, $100. Jordan 4 RMs right here, 140. These black ones right here going for $60. That is a 10. Red ones right here, 130. $100 for the Jordan 1 low OGs. Jordan. These ain't no highs. These ain't no highs. What the heck? DN8s right here. Seeing a lot of variety. No price tag. Finally seen a refurb. They do have refurbs here, but they get taken really quick. But yeah, these are size 11, slightly imperfect, $78. I thought these came out in women's, huh? Yeah, this is a women's pair. Women's pair, so 9.5 men's. And yeah, $78. You do get that extra discount. Got another one of these in the 10. Pegasus Wave, $88. Luca 4s, $135. Pegasus 41, $75. What's up with these right here? What's up with these? Jordan 3 Pure Moneys, $160 for these. $160, 30% off. Damn, I like these, but damn, do I need them? Do I need them? Damn, I really like these. I haven't been able to wear Jordans as much lately, to be really honest.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
I think that was a pretty decent pan. No, but I really like them. I do. Thinking about it. The laces are definitely interesting. Like a light elephant print or something. And the patent leather. I'm not a big fan of the patent leather mixed with the tumbled leather. Yeah, it is slightly tumbled. I really do like them. I do like them. I'm siding towards getting them. They are, what are they, $160. Get an extra 30% off. I went to get a bag real quick. And make sure you guys check your pairs. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell if it comes up with camera. There's a little bit of pink. On the midsole, obviously, it's like an imperfect pair or something. Like, why wouldn't this go to like an imperfect refurbished pair? Like, what the hell, dude? All right, throwing that one back, checking this one right here. I don't see any issues with this pair, so yeah, I guess I'll grab this one. Ooh. Got Jordan 1 mids, $100. And then look at this. Got a refurb 2-3, $80. Is gently worn. Hell, but technically I tried these on. Do they count as gently worn? I don't know. Whatever. I don't care. And I try to be transparent with you guys. I think I'm gonna open up another account. I'm gonna open up a Nike account. Try to get 15% off. I think it's 15% off 100. I've done that here before, so gonna try to get 30% off clothing or clearance apparel, but a lot of t-shirts. Trojan t-shirt, $35. Oh, Mamba t-shirt right here. It's okay. But yeah, $20, $20 right here. They got multiple sizes right here. Yeah, these are loose fit. It does say loose fit. Got a Mariners t-shirt right here, $25. Bunch of JDIs, bunch of running t-shirts, whatever. Got all kinds of shorts right here as well. I'm looking for shorts for my kid, but trying to buy something not Nike since he does have other shoes. Got Jumpman shorts right here. What was the price? What was the price? $30. It's like swimming shorts. Oh, it's like tech pack shorts right here. A little short, but yeah, $95. $135 down to $95. Holy crap! And these 24/7 shorts right here as well. $95. Wow. They got all kinds of bright shorts. The bright ones going for $35. More and more bright. Oh, damn! Look at how long these are. These like capris or something. What the hell? These are definitely not standard issue. It says Nike. What the hell? Why is this so effing long? $50. Oh, it's a quadruple XL. That's crazy. And this one's above the, oh hell no, above the knee. All right, let's knock out the bigger sizes. On the back wall, I'm seeing colorway of the Jordan 4 RMs and colorway I've never seen before. What the hell? What the hell? That's kind of interesting. Price unknown. Grabbed one of these from my workers a while back. $75. The blue one's the same price. Got mids right here, $100. What colorway is this? Oh, is that the same one? I don't know. It says 80. Extended size price, kind of, sort of, not really. Got LeBron's right here, $120. Oh wait, this one does have a price tag on it. $60? $60. That goes down to $42. Size 11.5. Gently worn Luka 3, $65. I was like, what Jordans? Oh, Jordan Sessions. Whatever. $50. These are all size 12s. $50 for witnesses. All red Jordan 4 RMs, $140. Seen these in a bunch of sizes. Some Cortez right here. Oh, these are the nylon ones, $80. Size 13. Seeing some refurbs right here, $130. $130 for Vaporfly Next Percents. Holy crap. Holy crap. If I found my size, I definitely would grab these bad boys. And they got multiple. $130 for those. $156 for these. This is like new. The prior one was gently worn. And this is gently worn as well. And they got two more down there. What the hell? What's going on? Spizikes, $120 for Spizikes. Seeing a ton of the gray price tags, which means they are extended size price, but like a lot of generic stuff. Did these get some extended size love? No. Meeting some subscribers here. Appreciate you, Mac. And then there's a younger homie that I forgot to get the name. My apologies, dude. But yeah, checking out the clothing real quick. $40 for the Mamba pants, kind of like a basketball jersey material. But yeah, not bad. $40. Remember, 30 off on top. So that's what, $12 off. $28, not bad. $125 for the Tech Pack pants. Like, what do you match? What do you match that color with? I guess you just wear it with white or wear it with black or something. Yeah, is this snowboard pants? I think these are snowboard pants right here. Damn, it just came off. $110 for some snowboard pants. Looks like they got these in bigger sizes too. That's a double XL. Another one of these like capri pants looking things. Like they're like really baggy capri. What the hell? Is this skirt? What the heck is it? Oh no. So weird, dude. Got Realtree Jordan pants right here. It's like canvas material. What the hell? $50. So normally $100. At 30% off. Not bad. Got some golf slacks. $45. Got black ones, $45. Poofy jacket in a, is that gold? Bronze? I don't know. But yeah, these are warm as hell. I haven't had to use mine over the winter though. Yeah, $2. Yeah, I just realized I haven't needed mine all winter. Kind of crazy. $130. I feel like last year I used it a ton. Got Tech fleece jacket right here, $155. That's like that unisex, like super big one. Oversized? I don't know, whatever. Super loose. But yeah, I got 24/7 hoodie right here, $85. Nike baseball jersey, $105. Got tons and tons of aisles here. In each aisle, there's 2 sections. But before that, we gotta knock out the smaller sizes on the back wall. And we're checking out the size 9 and below. Look at this Jordan 1 high OGs right here. University blue. That is reimagined pair right here. 140 for those bad boys. We got a Vaporfly Next Percent right here. 150. Another Jordan 1 high OG right here. The Rare Airs. 140. Shatter backboard mids right here. These are cleats. 95. Air Max DNs. Right here. Is this the one that? No, I was like, this is the one that we saw at Chic, is it? No, 170. Books going for 80. 120 for the denims. Got the Rejuvenate slides. Starting to see them here, which is kind of crazy because these were selling out like crazy. 65. Got these in an 8.5. Well, look at this. Look at this. Invincible run 3s right here. 130. I got you guys. I got a lot of you guys on these because they're so comfortable. Air Max 95s. These are tiny 7.5. What is it? 120. KDs 75. More of these Rejuvenates. Diamond Turfs 120. And books, Rejuvenates, KDs, same stuff. I did take a peek at the women's bigger section right here. I see quite a lot of dope things here already. We'll definitely get to that. Let's check out the men's aisles. And it's funny that I see these here because I just talked about these and how they're on sale at a lot of the retail shops. So I was like, hey, are we gonna see these at the outlets? We're starting to see them here. I think similar price. I think it's like the same price at Cheap House right now, right? They are popular, not many sizes left. We got some 1 highs. Then we got mids, we got lows and lows. And then we do have Kobe 9s right here, Kobe 9 lows. Yeah, they're letting them go for MSRP. We saw this at Watts for cheaper, right? We saw them at Watts. They're almost full price here. And we got KDs. And I have not seen Legacy through toes in forever. Look at that price. Look at that price. Kind of a Chicago colorway right here. All the smaller sizes taken. Or maybe they didn't get them, I don't know. But 10 and above. Then we got non-signature J's. Like, look at that price right there. That price, that's $42 after savings. Jordan Sessions. Got some Flight Cords. And look at this price right here. Wow, wow. Then we got Jordan hairs, whatever. And then more non-signature J's. And budget signature basketball shoes right here. You got Witnesses, Jatus. Got some books. Rejuvenate slides. Prices going down, down, down. Palm slides right here. LeBron 22s. Then the next gen's kind of a budget signature, I guess. Got some Vomeros right here. A lot of people would call them essentials, right? Because they're pretty black and white. Some foam posits. Plethora of Air Max DNs. Look at that price. That price, DN8s right here. Air Max 2017. This was pretty decent price. Air Max DN Roams. I don't think I've ever seen these. Got Air Max 90s. 4 different colorways right here, including all white. Got some Air Max Plus, and then Air Max 95s, get an extra discount too. And Zoom Fly 6s. The price was a little cheaper. I probably would grab these. 120. These are some serious racing shoes / race training shoe. ZoomX does have a plate. Then they do have some Terra Kigers. And then some budget running options, but nothing else too premium. Women's clearance section looks like they have a bunch of refurbs, but it's all the same shoe. I mentioned they got some dope stuff in the bigger sizes. I think one of the dopest finds. Look at this. Look at this. Dude got Pegasus premiums right here. Got all 3 premium cushioning right here. Oh, it's okay. Here to go. ZoomX, ReactX, and then Zoom Air. Pretty heavy, but still looks really comfortable. Look at this. That's the lowest price we've seen. 120, and then you get another 30% off on top. They have a few bigger sizes, but I don't know. I'm not a big fan of that color. If you don't care about color, that's what I'm talking about. $70 for for these Jordan 4RMs. Then look at this Vomero Plus right here. They didn't have any huge sizes, just up to size 10. Look at this, look at this. Color's pretty decent, comfortable. 140 for those, 30 off on. Then you do get that 30 off on top. Got Dunks right here, $60 size 11. Overall, some decent stuff. Let's check out some of the more common women's sizes over here. Without that extended size 11, look at this. The Pegasus Premium go to $165. They got these Vomero 18s, not bad, 8.5. $120, especially with that discount. Pretty decent flight courts right here, $105 too much. 4RMs right here, $110. Air Max, I don't know what the hell those are. These Air Max, we've seen them at Ross and stuff, $135. Goat Fly Ease, haven't seen these in a minute, $85. Got some fluffy Calm Mules right here, super fluffy, $65. Interesting Dunks right here. Got some faux gator skin. Definitely interesting. It's pretty soft, pretty soft. Softer than it looks. But yeah, $130, wow. Got some University Red Dunks down here, $85. There's the Vomero Roams right here, $190 though, wow. DN 8 Air Max right here, $135. Also in the women's, not seeing too many refurbs as well. The selection better than most of the other outlets for the women's clearance section. Our Nike outlets been pretty generic for the women's sections. See what they got here. They got Air Max 95s, DN8s, multiple colorways. Look at this price right here. That's what's up. Shocks TLs, Shocks Z's. I've never even seen these before. What the hell? What the hell? Got 2 Shocks in the back. I'm in multiple colorways. Got some Cortez. Both of these are the OG nylons. And then an entire row of Dunks. That is a trend that we have been seeing. Tons and tons and tons of Dunks. And then do got a few Forces, including regular Prep. What the hell? Got some Jordan 1 highs. And then do have Sabrina's as well as A1s. All-star colorway right here. Then some Mule slides, Nola slides. And then this monstrosity of a sandal. What the hell? What the hell? That's just crazy. But you know, you do get a few inches of height right there. Damn. Almost forgot about the running shoes. Look at this. Vomero 18s for the women's. They got multiple colorways. So these will definitely make the back wall eventually. Check and see if they have any huge sizes. No, they only go up to size 10. Dang it. Dang it. Yeah, they only have up to size 10 for all of them. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. That's about it. That's about it. All right, that's pretty much about it. Orange County Nike outlet, one of the better women's section. I see why the men's section is so freaking popular. That's about it, you guys. That's about it. Desperate times requires desperate measures. Is that right? Hell if I know. I'm stupid. But look at this. Look at this. I did kind of cheat the system. I don't know. It feels like everybody does it, so I was like, why not? But yeah, I did get 15% off because I did make a new membership. And look at this. Look at this. $95. $95. Over 50% off. Pretty freaking dope. Holy crap. Right, let's go check out this spot first. And then I did find the Shoe Palace outlet. Apparently it's a separate spot over here. And you do get 25% off everything. Look at this. Look at this. I really wish they had my size right here, but this is a large. I definitely can't fit a large. And I think I have a large at home of Jerry Rice. Look, man, $100. Got some Cortez right here. These are going for $45.